Karon ses sugdi na imong Biztalk uban kang kapuso actress Ashley Ortega.
One of the most beautiful faces din sa GMA Network ang atong makauban this morning mga kapuso, si Ashley Ortega. Hi Ashley, maayong buntag.
Hello! Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat! Hello! Kamusta? How's everyone?
Ay, we're doing okay, lalo na ngayon nakasama ka namin this morning. Ikaw, kumusta ka na? Kumusta yung pagka-quarantine mo?
I'm good. Everything's okay here. I am safe. I am healthy with my family. And so far, naka-adjust naman na ako sa quarantine life.
How do you keep yourself busy ba habang nasa loob ka ng bahay ngayon?
Of course, I try to be productive every day. Pero nung mga first week, first month ng lockdown, it was really hard for me kasi hindi talaga ako taong bahay. I'm always out and about. I always have work. Pero since nung nag-starting lockdown, nahirapan ako. Pero so far, I still try to manage to be productive kasi kailangan talaga. Ayoko naman yung maging bomb lang sa house.
Tama ka nga doon. What are the things that you've learned pala while staying at home?
I did gardening.
Wow.
I don't know if some people noticed sa Instagram stories ko, I post on my social media. Nagkaroon na ako ng mini garden dito sa bahay. There's fruits, there's vegetables, and I love flowers. I'm so into flowers right now. And I also learned how to cook new dishes, like yung mga kakanin, and other dishes like mga pasta and mga ibang ulam. So far, marami rin ako natutunan. I also learned how to play the ukulele. Yun din pala yung isang instrument na natutunan ko.
Wow, grabe Ashley, naging productive talaga lalo yung pagka-quarantine mo.
Kailangan eh.
Ano yung mga masasabi mo sa mga kapuso natin who'd like to start a healthier lifestyle para ma-maintain yung figure and of course ma-boost din yung immune system?
Well, actually, hindi ako nagda-diet. Actually, itong lockdown, never ako nag-diet. Kasi that's why, what I do also, I eat every day. Kasi nakaka-stress talaga at saka nakaka-bored. So, what I basically do is, every day also, nagpapakapawis ako. Kahit hindi siya workout routine. I do Zumba. I play with my dogs. Basta mapagpawisan lang. Para cardio. Para, di ba, mabawasan yung calories na kinain ko today. Just watch out sa kinakain mo. You know, me kasi, I don't starve myself. I still eat whatever I want, just not too much. I make sure to balance it.
Tama. You don't need to deprive yourself, di ba, to maintain a healthy lifestyle and figure. Actually, let's talk about Kapuso Rise Up Project kasi you joined this project, no? Butil para sa buhay. May we know how you are feeling right now kasi isa ka sa mga tumulong sa mga kapwa-kapuso natin and of course, tulong din sa mga frontliners natin.
Of course, I'm always grateful naman sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap ko. So, I also want to share it to people. Other people like us at home, nasa stress na tayo kasi wala tayo mapuntahan, bored na tayo. Samantalang sila, masaya na sila kapag nabibigyan namin sila ng food. So, if you compare your life to their life, sobrang layo talaga. So, we should always be grateful with what we have. And then, yung sa project naman sa GMA, well, ang GMA naman lagi naman talaga nandyan para tumulong. Never naman sila nawala. So, I'm also happy na I was part of it, na nakatulong ako in my own little ways.
Finally, ano yung mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga kapuso natin na nanonood dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas?
Siyempre, sa lahat po ng mga kapuso na nanonood dyan, I just wanna tell you na malapit nang matapos to. Kaya natin to. Tiwala lang kay God because hindi niya tayo papabayaan. And I know being positive is one of the bad news na pwede natin marinig, but we have to keep our spirits up. Don't forget to smile. Kahit lagi tayong naka-face mask, kailangan happy pa rin tayo para hindi tayo ma-depress.
Ayan, happy talaga kami na nakasama ka namin this morning, Ashley. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much also. Ingat po kayo dyan lagi. Stay safe,
Ingat.
everybody.
Ingat, Ashley. And that was Ashley Ortega, mga kapuso, nga mipaambit ka nato kung unsa ka productive ang iyang pag-quarantine karon samtang wala pa ang taping sa mga artista sama kaniya. ug mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.